Hi, and welcome to the Market Rag for Wednesday, December 12th, 2007. Remember how yesterday we talked about the bounce that might happen after such a big sell-off? Well, we got a little one. Not great numbers here, but you can see the NASDAQ was up 0.7%, Dow 0.31, kind of the lagger in the group, and then the S&P was up a little over 0.5%. The big move, basically the two big moves out there, oil up huge today, over 5%, with gold up over 2%. Looking at the market grid here for the broad indexes and commodities, again, just a lot of yellow out here. In the lower part of this longer term range at the 12 weeks, but still just a lot of choppiness. And remember, we're still in a pretty ugly sideways market. Down here you'll see bonds. The only thing really red out there in the commodities. In the longer term, we still have all these euro, oil, and gold and uptrends, and we kind of saw that a little in oil today. Coming over here to a chart of the S&P, you can see we had this real dramatic day where we ran up early in the morning and then crashed all day. And right before the close, we had a nice rebound, giving us what we call a doji candlestick pattern. You had a similar situation in the Dow, and it's right here at this potential support area. Here's the big mover of the day, oil. Look at that big explosion up off of this support area. And gold. Both oil and gold still kind of going sideways, but starting to show some of that longer term trend strength. As we come over here to the sector grid, I want you to notice two of these. The first is telecom. Notice we've got a little bit of yellow, but we're in the upper 70%, and it's starting to show some interesting strength here, along with energy, which is about the only one that has the consistent green going across the board. Financials are looking a little rough here, being in that 40%, along with consumer discretionary. Here's a chart of telecom, which looked like it had just bounced off this resistance area, but plowed through it today. Energy, again, one of these strong ones, and charging back up towards this resistance area. Financials still kind of getting rejected off this longer term support area. We've got utilities coming back to this old resistance area, wondering if it's going to become support, and nothing's really getting away from this down move in the market right now. Big spike up here in healthcare, but when it was all said and done, we're back at resistance. And you can see consumer discretionary still kind of showing some weakness, being under that line in the sand here. Coming over to the portfolio here, we got stopped out of our AG trade today for basically we made like 1.3R, so nothing great, but we were in a position with very little risk. The only thing we're really sitting on still is one long and then the two shorts we took the other day. You'll see this risk of 31% of what we're allowed all revolves around those two shorts we took yesterday. JCOM, which was one of those, looked to be doing pretty good for us. Not too much I can do on stops this first couple days, so let's just hang tough there. And I'll do some scanning and see if I can't find any good setups for you guys tonight.